hungry. I really love a midnight snack. Teddy, do you want a midnight snack? Yes, please. Okay, let me carry you. Let's go, Teddy. Let's go get a midnight snack. Whoa, it's a bit bumpy. Okay, Teddy, let's go get some midnight snacks. Let's go get a midnight snack. Oh, Teddy. Ooh. Okay, let's put you on the chair, Teddy. Let's open this. Full of chocolate cookies. Here, this one's for you, Teddy. Here, and this one's for me. Okay. Here. Oh, I accidentally put it that way. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Those chocolate cookies look so nice. Who made them?
My mother.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh,
Can I have a piece?
yeah.
Feed me.
Okay. Did you like it, Teddy?
It was very tasty. Did you make this?
No, my mother did.
Oh, well, she's a very good cook.
Yeah.
Anyway,
And guess
that was
what?
very, very tasty.
And guess what, Teddy?
What?
She made the most deserted chocolate cake in the world with cream and a blueberry.
That sounds so good.
It was a surprise for me.
Oh, well, that's very nice. Your mother sounds like a nice person.
Yeah, she is.
That was very, very tasty, Miriam.
Yeah.
It was yummy in the tummy.
Yeah. And we finished our midnight snack. Let's go back.
Yeah, let's go back to bed. Wait. Can I please have a bedtime story, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Miriam.
Okay.
You're my best friend.
Yeah. So Teddy Christmas Cookie. Hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked Teddy. Please like and subscribe, and don't eat too much.
And if you want to see a magic trick, click the subscribe button and it will turn white.
Yeah. Goodbye.